gumbo, and we've already shredded and boiled our chicken.
We boiled it and then shred it using the little mixer like we did last time.
And we are also going to be adding rice into it.
But we have to cook it. So
Yes,
there's our
there's
broth
that.
from our chicken there. It's 5 cups of chicken broth. Or you can obviously use the store-bought chicken broth. So go ahead and light the... It's raining here, guys. I don't know if it is where you are, but it's rained for a couple of days now. It seems like it. Let me fix the camera, Kaitlyn. There. Alrighty, so we're gonna bring it to a boil.
It's a bowl. Boil.
Well, we want it higher for a boil. You're going low. You're almost off. There you go. Here, you know what we'll do? I like this one because it brings it to a faster boil. We'll just start this one over here on our power boil. We'll swap guys. No, it's okay. We're gonna do our gumbo over here.
Just leave it.
You can turn it off right
Oh,
now.
okay.
There we go. Alright, so we have our 5 quarts of homemade chicken broth, and we just put like, what all did we use? Garlic powder, salt, pepper, paprika. I think that's it. I'm not positive. But that's what we boiled our chicken in. So we have that broth that we're using, and as soon as it gets to a boil, we'll add the rice. So Kaitlyn, Anna's been wanting this for a while. You eat it too, don't you? So
Yes, ma'am.
it's just Louisiana gumbo, and we make it with sausage, chicken, and shrimp. So there's our sausage that we cooked already, and we cut it up. And we have our shrimp ready, but that'll be the very last thing we add. I don't guess they can even see us though, Kaitlyn. Sitting here talking. Anyway, the shrimp will be last because it doesn't take long for it to cook, so that'll take a few minutes for it to boil. But we can go ahead and read the back of the gumbo, so we can be getting our stuff ready for it.
Alright, so we are going to add 2 quarts of chicken broth and water mixed into the chicken.
We didn't have quite enough for 2 quarts of chicken broth, but we did half and half here. I'll pour the first half and make it lighter for you, and then I'll let you pour the rest. Here you go. You want to take over for me? I'm just pouring it directly over our shredded chicken. And you can dump the sausage in.
Okay.
We've already we grilled it and cut it up in little bite-sized pieces. So you want to light it, and then we'll get it mixed up. I'll let you add the seasoning.
Okay.
Yep, as long as there's a flame. And where's your little pointer? Yep, that's about right. We're going to bring it to a boil, so you want it kind of high initially.
And then we pour in the rice.
We don't pour in the rice in that.
Oh.
The rice has got to cook
yeah.
separate. The gumbo is in a container by itself. So, and it tells you the directions. You just add it, and then it's going to cook for about, let's see, I believe it's like 15 minutes. Cover, bring to a boil, and then reduce and simmer for 15 minutes. Sound good? All right, here you go.
It goes in this one.
This is for the rice.
I see it now.
That's for the gumbo. That's our chicken and our sausage. Alrighty. Ta-da! You get the pleasure of getting to stir it all up.
It's very thick.
That's the chicken in there. Once it gets mixed up, it won't be bad.
The chicken is very, very thick.
So if you take your bowl, your spoon and kind of scoop it upwards, it lets the fluid get behind it and it comes up a little bit better and you're not. It mixes easier. Now I'll let you have it back. And so like when you see chunks of chicken like that, just, just kind of mix it up like that.
Okay.
Alright, there you go. I'll let you stir. So when you get to the rice, when this starts boiling, you'll pour the rice in there. You'll do one little stir around, then we'll cover it, and it'll go on simmer, and we'll cook it. You don't stir it throughout the process. That way it doesn't become sticky rice, I guess, unless that's what you want. So tell them a little bit about what's going on in your life.
It's the weekend. We just got out of school yesterday, and I haven't really done anything exciting today, but...
We watched a movie last night,
Oh
didn't we?
yeah, we did.
And who joined us?
Charlie.
Charlie sat on the couch with us.
She
She
did.
sat up and watched like a human.
She did.
So it's starting to simmer over here. It's not quite, but it's getting close. So let's do a little, just because the it's just the hot's hot. It's fine. So we're almost ready. Once it starts boiling, you'll see little bubbles. There it goes.
And then we can put it in the rice.
Yep. There you go. Now we measured it. It said 1 whole container of rice with 5 quarts of water. I mean, 5 cups of water. So you just pour it over in it.
Oh, let it splash.
Kind of move it around a little bit. Okay, I don't want to take it over. There you go. Now read on there how long we have to boil it for. I mean, simmer it for. You have to bring it to a boil.
This is 15 minutes.
Alright. Now you probably want to stir your gumbo.
Okay.
You can stir it, you just can't stir your rice once you get it stirred out right. Alrighty, you want to get it back to a boil on the rice over here. You see how it's going to a boil?
Mm-hmm.
Then you want to turn it down to low. So you turn it that way. And then you'll just be on simmer. Good job. Oh, I didn't get the right lid for it, did I? It'll be alright. Here, let me try to break some of that chicken chunks up, unless you want to. Let's see. We cooked it last night, but then Daddy surprised us and took us out to eat, so we got to eat some hibachi last night, didn't we?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Alright, so it's coming to a boil, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on low. Mom's pushing buttons again.
I'm steadily, hold on, let me hit this lock button. So maybe I can't push buttons.
Alright.
Alright, now let's stir it up. And you have it on low.
I do.
Alright, so how long are we going to let this simmer?
We're going to let it simmer 12 to 15 minutes.
Well, about 12 minutes, and then it says you can add your seafood for about 3 minutes. We just have some little frozen shrimp to add to it, the little small shrimp. So, and then by then the rice should be about done. They cook about equal time, so it's a quick and easy dinner. Especially if you like prep work and have your chicken already shredded, your sausage already cooked and chopped up, and the frozen shrimp. The shrimp is frozen, so that don't take long. Alrighty. So we just leave it like it is. Did it say we had to cover it? I don't think so, but I don't know. Let me look. Yep, it does. Okay. I did not have that one out. Hang on. I think I used that one for the rice, and I ended up having to get the right one for the rice. So this was going to be wet, but ooh, that's still not right. That must be for the bigger pot. Well, hold on. Hold on. That's not it.
Mom, this thing you used for the little one maybe yet.
Huh? Hold on. I can't hear you. I'm making too much racket over here. Oh, we fall into the very back.
How'd that happen?
Whew, I don't know, but I made a lot of racket for the camera, that's for sure. There you go.
Alright.
It was tilted all the way against the wall of the cabinet to the very back.
That's weird.
Oh well, I found it. So we're gonna let that simmer, and we'll touch base with y'all.
Alright.
Alrighty, I'll open it for Kaitlyn. It's time to add the shrimp.
Alright.
Alright.
That's scary.
Well, it's kind of straight out of the freezer, so let's. There we go. I was gonna say I didn't want to splatter it too much.
Yeah. Now do we stir?
Uh-huh. Yeah, just don't stab it because we don't want to splash it everywhere. Here you go. I'm sorry. Come over here where they can see you. Right now, they can see the back of your head. There you go. I'll check the rice while you're stirring that up.
Alright.
And it don't take
Oh,
long.
the shrimp is getting color.
Uh-huh. It don't take long. Hold on. Let's see. I think all we got to do now, just push them down good. And let's put the lid back on. You don't stir it. You just cover it. Because we're just cooking it the remainder of the time. Ooh, it's a little warm.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Still a little warm. Let's see. I think this is done now, though. Yeah, the rice is done, so you can turn it off. You went the wrong way to begin with, didn't you?
Yeah, I'll figure it out. Ugh.
There you go.
It takes me a minute sometimes.
Alright, let's make sure this is on good. Well, yep, now we got about 3 more minutes. So
Alright.
we'll be ready to eat. Alright, that's what the gumbo looks like. There's our rice. Got us all steamed up. And Kaitlyn is making
Some more of the crescent rolls.
She said she took them to school and
Everybody loved them.
everybody loved them. So she's like, I need some more, Mom. So I had another pack of crescent rolls. So you made us some more, huh?
Yes, ma'am. These are so good.
All right. We'll let y'all see our plates when we get them made. I can't. Yep. All right. Here's Kaitlyn's taste tester. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here's mine. I didn't put any rice in mine. You don't want anybody videoing you eat? All right.
Bye.
Y'all have a good night. Our dessert is ready. Ooh, that one exploded.